Good morning, day 45 of 75 art, which is super exciting because that means there's only 1 month left. Listen, when you are a child, hopefully, your parents put you on a schedule. You had a wake up time, you had a sleep time, you had a nap time, there was time to eat. And even as you got older, there was always expectation of what was to come. So you getting up, go to school. In the summer, there was playtime and pool time, and basically you had a schedule. And the reason that your parents put you on a schedule is because we thrive better when we have a schedule. Even my toddler, who's 2, he's got a schedule and he's starting to understand what that schedule looks like. And the reason we do that is because he's fucking maniac sometimes, and we want to control his energy to a certain extent. We want to have time that he can get that energy out and play and have fun and run and scream and do all the things. But he also knows when night falls and we start turning the lights off and we start winding things down, he has an expectation of what's to happen, and it's better for him because he knows what's going on. Most adults, I shouldn't say most, but a lot of adults who struggle don't have a schedule, don't have a routine. Just wake up. I can't imagine doing this. Just wake up and go, I wonder what the fuck's gonna happen today. That's not really the best way to live, y'all. Like, some of y'all winging it, it's totally fine. But the reason 75 hard works for so many people is because it provides structure and a framework for the way that you live and parameters on the things that you can and cannot do. Doesn't mean you don't have freedom, doesn't mean you can't do certain things, but we need structure. We thrive in structure. If you're struggling, look at your schedule. And if you're lacking structure, get some. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. Party people, day 45 is done. You know, they say be careful what you wish for. And I've been wishing for warm weather for the last God knows how long. It's been freezing cold. Literally last week at this time, I think it was like 12 degrees. And so today it was beautiful and sunny and warm and allergies everywhere. I don't know what I look like, but I think I've blown my nose, I don't know, 562 times today and sneezed an equal amount. And my nose feels raw and I need to go take some allergy meds and fucking dying. But it's warm, so I got that going for me. Oh my gosh. It happens every year. I don't know why I'm always shocked by it, but it is what it is. All the things are done. Everything got done literally hours ago. Just been cruising through the day. Gonna do the same thing tomorrow. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices.